Baby emoji, intro, 0 o'clock. Welcome to Baby Care Tips UK. In today's video, we'll show you how to change a nappy the right way, using clean, safe, and simple steps recommended by UK midwives and health visitors. Whether you're a new parent or just need a refresher, this quick guide is for you. Soap emoji, Section 1, get everything ready, 0:20 before you start, make sure you have everything within reach. White tick mark emoji, a clean nappy, white tick mark emoji, baby wipes or warm water with cotton wool, white tick mark emoji, a changing mat or towel, white tick mark emoji, nappy cream if needed, white tick mark emoji, a nappy bag or bin for disposal. Always wash your hands first or use hand sanitizer if you're on the go. Recycle emoji, Section 2, safe setup, 0:45 lay your baby down on a secure, flat surface, like a changing mat on the floor or a changing table with a safety strap. Never leave your baby unattended, even for a second. Paperclip emoji, Section 3, removing the dirty nappy, 1 o'clock. Gently undo the tabs of the dirty nappy. Lift your baby's legs by the ankles and carefully pull down the front of the nappy. Use the front of the nappy to wipe away most of the mess, folding it under the baby with the clean side facing up. If it's a boy, consider placing a cloth over his lower body to avoid any surprise sprinkles. Sponge emoji, Section 4, cleaning your baby, 1:25 use unscented baby wipes or cotton wool with warm water to clean from front to back. This helps avoid spreading bacteria, especially for baby girls. Be gentle around skin folds and creases. Let your baby's skin air dry for a few moments, or pat dry gently with a soft cloth. Lotion emoji, Section 5, nappy cream and new nappy, 1:50 apply nappy cream if your baby has any redness or you're preventing nappy rash. Slide a fresh nappy under your baby, making sure the back is level with their waist. Bring the front up between the legs and fasten the tabs snugly, but not too tight. You should be able to fit 2 fingers comfortably at the waistband. Wastebasket emoji, Section 6, dispose and clean, 2:15 roll up the used nappy and seal it using the tabs. Pop it in a nappy bin or a nappy bag and dispose of it hygienically. Wash your hands thoroughly after every change. Light bulb emoji, bonus tip, 2:30, recycle emoji, change your baby's nappy every 2 to 3 hours, or immediately after a poo to prevent rashes. Nighttime nappies can often wait unless your baby is very wet or soiled. Waving hand emoji, outro, 2:45. That's it. You've just changed a nappy the right way, safely, hygienically, and with confidence. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more UK-based baby care tips. Baby bottle emoji, thanks for watching Baby Care Tips UK, your trusted guide for new parents.